I was experiencing overheating with my 2013 Cadillac ATS. When I realized it, I came to find had a leak. Um, when I replaced it, I was told by Cadillac, where I was told that the only place that I could get this part, that this is coming to go bad on the Cadillac. So it'll get a little split, get fragile, start cracking and leaking. So it's normal to be replaced. Here's your part number. I was also told that, again, I was told that I could only get it from Cadillac, but after looking at the videos to see how to replace it or repair it, I see some people may have gotten it from Napa. Cost me about 85 bucks at Cadillac. Okay, I replaced it, put it on, boom, up under there, whatever. Okay, once I replaced it, I realized that I still had some kind of leak from coolant, and it was still running hot. So when I found out that, okay, here's the old one, that I was experiencing a leak here, which you can see. You can see where the water, this is the old one. Of course, I replaced it. You can see the leak where it leaked all around here. And it actually has a crack, if you can see it, right there. You know what I'm saying? So I looked for videos on YouTube to see how to replace and repair it. Couldn't find a single one. So here it is. There's three screws. There's one up top. Really, it's not even three screws. It's one screw. This one here, you unbolt it. There's one there's a slot where it goes in here, and there's another slot where you can see this one pretty good right there. All I had to do, I thought I had to take off this cross member bar, but I didn't. Asked the guy yesterday how much would he charge me to put it on. Looked at it, told me 90 bucks. I was like, ridiculous. It didn't look too complicated, so I said I'm gonna try it myself. Took it to my mechanic, who also said, oh, these things could be real difficult to put on a Cadillac. And I'm like, yeah, right. So to me, that was just to get my money. So of course I tried it myself, and I'm no mechanic. But like I said, 1, 2, 3. This right here, the reservoir cost me about 120 bucks from O'Reilly's. I have an account, so it probably was more than that, because I have a business account with them. So I will put those on. This is the new one. I'm going to reconnect this hose. I had to take this off with a pair of pliers, just clamp it, pull the hose off. It works right back on, same way, put it back on, pop it on, boom, and there you go. Hope this saves you some money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This may help if it helps you